Hello viewers, welcome to Home Decor Haul, a dedicated YouTube channel for your dream home requirements. If you have any query, please mention it at comment section. In this video, you shall see hand-painted spoon design ideas. For more ideas, please click I button link above the video screen. Wooden spoons are used in cooking because of their versatility and also because they do not have any metal in them to lose. There are many crafts ideas you can apply in your life to make the wooden craft with the leftover wooden spoons. Through wooden spoon, you can make a good birthday craft, like you can make a cat face on it. Then stick some birthday quote on it or write happy birthday on it. These are the small wooden spoons for crafts which you can present it to someone. Another great wooden spoon craft ideas are the vegetable craft. You can color the wooden spoon with different color and background, then you can draw some vegetable figure on it and paint them. You can decorate this well at the time of Christmas. This can be wooden spoon crafts for Christmas. Every cook uses a wooden spoon for cooking almost everything. So if you have a friend who is a chef, you can give them a wooden spoon with a face drawn on it and little shaped cap made. This is a decorative wooden spoon craft ideas. The flower spoon craft includes the different flowers made on the wooden spoon. Then you can just color them with the different colors. And this is a great decorative wooden spoon craft. You can also use in your daily life. Polka dot are always in fashion. All you need to do is make some polka dot, then color them with a different color. You can also make some floral things like flowers or some creatures on it. These are great mini wooden spoons for crafts. I believe this video will help you to get better ideas for DIY and paint spoon design. For latest updates, subscribe to our channel, click the show links and enjoy watching the videos.